Well, hello, my babes. And thank you guys for tuning into the channel today. So today, you guys, I got such a great job for you guys, okay? So this job comes directly from AT&T, okay? AT&T is one of those recession-proof companies where you absolutely know that they are not going out of business anytime soon, okay? This communications company will not be going out of business. So this job is going to be classified as a recession proof job, you guys. Get on this job right now, okay? So this job is fully remote. It has full benefits, you guys. Full benefits, and it pays up to $231,000. Okay, you guys, go get the virtual resume rewrite session. Rewrite your resume, okay? Be like the others who have rewritten their resume and have landed their jobs, okay? They have landed their jobs. I am so happy for you guys and for you guys that have interviews. I am so amazingly happy that that virtual resume rewrite session is working for you guys. The proof is in the resume, okay? So let's get right into this job right now. But before I do, we are going to do the shout outs of the day because, baby, the shout outs of the day keep rolling because you guys keep going, okay? So we got Jessica. Jessica got a job. She used a virtual resume rewrite session. She got her job as a project manager for $170,000, okay? She changed her life, okay? She started off with a salary of $60,000. She used a virtual resume rewrite session, and literally within about 2 to 3 weeks, they pulled her resume. She landed the interview and she got the job. Miss Jessica, I am so excited for you. You don't even know. I love hearing the success stories. You guys, send me your success stories, okay? Because I love to hear them. Miss Tranisha, she got a job as the program manager. She got a job as a program manager using the virtual resume rewrite session, and she got it for $164,000. Go on here, baby. And then we got Mr. Jesus. Jesus got his job as a program manager as well. He makes $157,000. You guys, I am so excited for you guys. Keep on going. Let's keep it going. I am so excited that you use the virtual resume rewrite session to rewrite your resume, rewrite your skills, like I am telling you guys, because hey, you are already doing the job. You might as well get paid to do it, okay? Pay you what you're worth, all right? So, the inspiration of the day is, and I know because I hear your stories. You guys, I am taking all of your stories in, and when I tell you that, I am inspired to tell you to keep going. The inspiration of the day is my storm is temporary. My storm is temporary, and I am stronger than this storm, okay? So that's what I want you to keep in your mind when you are using the virtual resume rewrite session. Keep in your mind, I am stronger than the storm that I am experiencing today, because you guys, I know you are stronger than that. So let's keep going. Keep going, you guys. You guys go pick up the virtual resume rewrite session. It is paying for, you guys. It is paying for, and you are able to rewrite your resume, rewrite the skills on your resume, you guys. So, you guys, I have also done another humongous thing for you guys because, like I was telling you, I want you to land these jobs. When you get a job, I know that I have done my job properly. You guys, I have created the answers. I am giving you the answers to the top 20 most common interview questions, okay? So I have released that. You guys go look in, click the link, and go get the interview questions. Memorize those interview questions so that you can land the job, okay? So that you can land these jobs. But let's get right into this job right now, you guys. All right, you guys. So now that we are in the job, Like I said, you guys go pick up the virtual resume rewrite session so that you can rewrite your skills, rewrite your experience, and get paid what you are worth. Land that six-figure job. And since so many of you guys, and I'm going to say it again, since so many of you guys have been getting interviews, you guys go pick up the 20 top interview questions and the answers to those questions so that when you get the interview, you are going to be prepared because you're being prepared by Sam. Okay? Coach Sam, all right? All right, so let's get right into this job. They are hiring for a lead product management and developer, okay? So let's get right into this right now, you guys. So let's get right into this job right now, okay? It says as a lead product development manager. You will oversee the development, marketing, and sale of a product or sets of products throughout the product lifecycle. You'll partner with our business, technology, and UX teams to design moderately complex products or product lines that will meet the needs of the business with minimal investment while providing a competitive advantage for our product portfolio. Okay, you guys, now we're going to break it down because this job is super simple and it is really super easy. Okay, so they are looking for a product manager. Okay, so they're not asking you to create the products. What they're asking you to do is manage the team that creates the product. Okay, they might ask you to do, some stuff, but they're not asking you to actually be the developer on the product. They're asking you to manage the team, okay? And like I said, you guys have so much experience managing teams because I see it on your resume. Go use that virtual rewrite session to rewrite your resume, okay? So my virtual rewrite session, it is pain free. It is thought free. All you have to do is copy and paste from the skills and experience that I give you. And these skills are leadership skills. They are director skills that I give you guys and director experience. All you have to do is copy and paste from the virtual resume rewrite session to put it on your resume. Okay, you guys? Y'all go get that because this is what they're looking for in this job. They are looking for a manager in this job to be able to land this job. Okay, you guys? Let's go to the key responsibilities. The key responsibilities, it says serve as the central resource with the design process, manufacturing tests, quality, and marketing as the products move to production and distribution. Research, design, plans, develops, and evaluate new products by translating and documenting customer requirements into final product design. So basically, what they're saying is you're going to take the input from the customer and you are going to be documenting that and implementing that into their design process. Super simple, super easy. It says analyze customer needs, identifies priorities for new products or services and enhancement, defines market, including competitive analysis and definition of product functionality. That basically means you're going to analyze their needs, you're going to be doing reports, you're going to be doing documentation. This is more like a customer service job more than this is probably a customer service job, to be honest, because you're going to be working hands on with the customer to figure out their needs and to implement them into the product design. Okay, you it's like almost like a liaison between the customer and the product. This job is super simple, super easy, okay? It says prepare and present business cases for new products and services and creates product roadmaps and project plans, okay? May be responsible for managing budgets. That is definitely on my virtual resume rewrite session. Managing budgets is huge when you are doing product and program management, okay? They want to know if you can manage their budget. And I have all faith in you guys that you can. Y'all go get this job, okay? Works with the pricing teams to develop new pricing strategies. This job is so super simple, super easy. Go pick up that virtual resume rewrite session. And I want you on your resume to reposition yourself as a director or a leader, okay? Because I am giving you executive level skills and experience. All you have to do is copy and paste it. No work, no pain, no thought, and you'll have a professional resume. Okay, let's go. And that's the end. That is the end of the responsibilities. Now let's go to the qualifications, and you are going to be super. You when I tell you, you are going to be super shocked about what the qualifications are, the required qualifications. Go rewrite your resume for this job because it's that easy. Let's go, you guys. So this is the simple and easy part that I was telling you guys about. There are required qualifications. There's only one required qualification. Is that you have 6 to 8 years experience in product management, product development, or marketing. Okay. So that is the only experience that is required. This job is so super simple and super easy. And that is why I'm telling you guys, go pick up the virtual resume rewrite session to rewrite your skills for this. They're not asking for a degree. They're asking that you have the experience. I have written, pre-written all of the experience that you need. You are not going to land this job using the experience that you already have on your resume. You need specific experience, specific skills, and they are included within the virtual resume rewrite session. You guys go pick that up, write your resume in 10 to 15 minutes, apply for this job. Every skill that they are asking in that job description or responsibility section is on the virtual resume rewrite session. And if you have the rewrite session, y'all go put y'all stuff in first because I know and I can feel it. One of you guys will be called for this job. One of you guys will be called for this job because the way that I wrote the virtual resume rewrite session, it hits every box. And I'm going to say it again. Go get the virtual rewrite session because you cannot you this is a specific skill set that this job is asking for, a specific skill set. So if you have another skill set on your resume, I do not think you're going to be getting this job, and that is my expert honest opinion. Go get that virtual resume rewrite session and rewrite that resume. For all of you guys who already have it, you already have the skills, you already have the experience. Go put that resume in before anybody else gets this job. Go put that resume in, okay? Because you hey, hey, that virtual resume rewrite session hits every skill that they are asking for. Go get it. Go get it, child. Okay? So the desired qualifications for this job, it says desired qualification, not required, is a bachelor's degree in business, computer science, mathematics, or statistics. Now let's see what they pay. Let's see what they pay. You said, and you see that it's desired. It's not required. It's not under their requirements. Okay, you guys? It says, as our lead product management and development managers will earn between 115,000 through $231,000, you guys. This is our all-star job, especially to have one requirement for you guys to, and I'm going to say it again, for you guys to have the virtual resume rewrite session already. Throw that resume in there, okay? Throw it in, all right? They just posted this, I think about 3 or 4 days ago. Go throw this resume in so that you can land this job because this job has almost no requirements. You just have to have the experience, and that is the same experience that I give you guys on the virtual resume rewrite session. Okay. Now let's look at the health the benefits. It says health insurance, tuition reimbursement, paid time off, discounts on products and services, to name a few. Let's go. It says the individual starting salary within this range may depend on geography, experience, expertise, and education and training. Y'all go get this job. This job is too too good to let go. And if you look at the last sentence on this job, it says there will be a bonus. It says there could potentially be a bonus for this job. For those of you guys who have the resume rewrite session, go put it in. Go put it in because it hits every skill. You have all the experience, okay, you guys? Every experience that they are asking for, I have already included this within the virtual resume rewrite session. Go put that resume in, you guys, because I know one of you guys will get this job. Ooh, I know it. I can just feel it. I'm so excited for you guys. Y'all go get this job. Thank you for tuning into the channel today. I just wanted to bring that to you guys' attention because this job is too goddamn good to let go. It is so good. It is too good to let go. Y'all go get this job. Go get the virtual resume rewrite session. Rewrite your skills, rewrite your experience. Use everything that I give you guys. Change your title using the titles that I have provided for you guys, okay? Land this job. You guys have an amazing, productive, great day. Remember to be kind to others and let them be kind to you. But more than anything, you guys, pour back into yourselves. You give so much of yourself to so many people. I want you to utilize the virtual resume rewrite session to pour back into you, to pour back into your career because you cannot take care of anyone from an empty cup. All right, you guys, have a blessed, wonderful, amazing, productive day. See you in the next video. Bye.